Welcome to our project presentation. Today, we're excited to share a transformative initiative that has revolutionized power generation management for CoPower. I'm Natalia Duarte, co-founder and business director of Dautom. We are an Industry 4.0 integrator consulting firm specializing in digital transformation. We help our clients unlock the full potential of their operation, enabling them to make automated decisions that drive business and operational excellence. Our approach is user-centric. We focus on understanding and solving our clients' core issues, not just the symptoms. We use the Unified Namespace as a powerful tool to help our clients achieve their ultimate goals. We are dedicated to solving frontline problems for operation, knowing that these solutions will benefit the entire business.
I am Alexander Pinzon, General Manager and co-founder of CoPower. CoPower is a key player in energy generation project. We operate in Colombia, Mexico, Ecuador, and the USA, and our diverse asset portfolio includes diesel, gas, and photovoltaic sources. This diversity ensures our stability and adaptability in the ever-changing energy market. We offer complete solutions in electrical tests, electrical studies, diagnostics, and central terminal maintenance. Our business demands high availability and reliability. We strive to provide our team with the best resources and tools, enabling them to fully develop their potentials.
I am Héctor Amaya, CoPower lead for operation by gas and diesel power plants. Power generation is the most important business for CoPower. Our generation sets can operate with different kinds of fuels, like natural gas, coal gas, biogas, and diesel. Currently, we have 10 generation power plants with natural gas across various regions of Colombia, with over 52 gensets from different brands such as Inigenbacher, Gichay, Cummins, and Waukesha, with 45 megawatts of power installed by gas generation, plus 20 megawatts by diesel and 6 megawatts solar. Initially, we relied the OEM application and software to gather information related to each generation asset. Given the involvement of equipment for multiple brands and diverse communication protocols, unifying the collected data was a challenging task. This diversity made it difficult to consolidate information about the current state of our generation's business. We lack a unified monitoring system, so I used to jump between apps and cloud services. It was a challenge that required time in activities that didn't add value to the operation.
My name is Iván Hernández. I'm the Engineering Director, Lead Architect, and Co-founder of Dautom. In collaboration with CoPower, we successfully addressed the challenge of consolidating data from multiple power generation assets across diverse geographical areas. This project started as a proof of concept for digitizing generation assets as part of the CoPower's digital transformation journey. It has enabled the development of further use cases across the organization, demonstrating the scalability of the architecture and its alignment with CoPower's digital strategy.
I am William Mejia, integrator in Dautom. Ignition served as an IoT platform integrating generation assets locally through its edge solution, publishing the information in the Unified Namespace developed within the ecosystem. Ultimately, Ignition Cloud was used to consolidate a national monitoring tool. The incorporation of that hardware was a significant step in enhancing the operational technology infrastructure. It was used to run Ignition Edge, Ignition Full, and containers for process control, matching the minimal technical requirement for their digital strategy.
The standardization of data models through the UNS has been pivotal. These advancements has enhanced interoperability and enabled organic development and scalability on CoPower's infrastructure and platform, independent of OEMs. Consequently, a range of business automation initiatives has been supported, including seamless integration with ERP system, CMMS, field services, and asset health testing. Another advantage of this architecture is its integration with applications within the Industry 4.0 ecosystem. The UNS integrates with Canary for enterprise-level historizations and with Snowflake through Cirrus Link's IoT Bridge, unlocking the potential of data lakes and big data for machine learning and artificial intelligence use cases. The platform empowers digital citizens to solve their own problems, thereby facilitating field asset management. Additionally, it provides resources and support that accelerates the learning curve for new talent, enabling faster and more effective adaptations to the demands of the industrial environment.
I am Sebastián Muñoz, integrator in Dautom. The co-power generation system has multiple access: gas, photovoltaic, and diesel. There are unlimited sessions in Ignition Cloud with more than 41,000 tags, storing 10,000 tags in a local MySQL database, and also a canary historian. We present Factory Compass 4.0.
Factory Compass 4.0 is a high-level application for monitoring and supervising the multiple access of power generation fleet. It provides a comprehensive view of every generation asset, displaying all captured information and integrating helpful data for subsystem management, ensuring that operators are fully informed and in control. As we can see, different lines and subsystems within the plant areas are available for user selection. For example, the mechanical details of the genset display the temperature of the cylinder in descending order. This is very helpful for operators in identifying the health of the machine components. The application was developed to be understandable by every user, from the engineering team to plant operators. Additionally, the combustion mixture details ensure that the information is precisely displayed. Since valves and power are related, they help identify operating conditions. From raw data, the dashboard displays key calculate values. As we can see, minimum, average, and maximum allows intuitive tracking of the system. Co-power this understanding of each operation accelerate the development of use case and foster the creation of effective solutions, turning them into practical application by asking the right questions. A session of dynamic reports is available to view the most relevant operational data. This session makes possible the selection of sites and devices within defined time range and intervals, allowing for identifying production fluctuations for both individual access and the entire plant to optimize processes.
In the future, the platform will scale up to advanced use cases with ML AI focused on anomaly detection, operational optimizations, and predictive maintenance. LLM will be used to analyze and correlate vast amounts of asset data, including oil quality, vibrations, and maintenance plans. This LLM will be capable of identifying complex patterns and generating accurate insights. Additionally, they will enable natural language interactions, allowing users to query asset status and receive recommendations based on data, thus enhancing decision-making for operational efficiency.
We work shoulder to shoulder with the front line, ensuring that their needs and challenges are at the forefront of our solutions, leveraging citizens developers. This project was developed by a dedicated Dautom team, including 2 integrators, 1 system architect, and a product owner, with the support from the co-power team, contributing essential knowledge of the power generation process, demonstrating the potential of digital transformation and collaborative innovation.
This achievement has opened doors to new business models and allow us to address similar pain points for our clients and stakeholders. Our plan is to continue scaling to more use cases and to integrate the new plants currently under construction.